In the market, this product is not easily available, so these craftsmen decided, why not make it themselves? But no one imagined that their raw material would be heavy anchor chains taken from old ships. First, the workers cut these massive anchor chains into separate sections and then divide them into smaller pieces. After that, the metal pieces are placed inside a furnace and heated at extremely high temperatures until they turn red hot. Then, with simple but highly skilled hammer work, these craftsmen in a small workshop in Peshawar transform useless scrap metal into something valuable again. This process not only provides local people with strong and affordable products, but also increases the value of scrap iron many times over. For example, about 500 grams of scrap metal can be turned into a product worth several times more. Turning waste into treasure is an art, and because these products are affordable, they are in high demand locally. That is why even this small workshop is earning well. First, the red-hot chain piece is placed under a power hammer and repeatedly struck until it becomes straight and elongated. After that, it is placed into different round molds and hammered again and again to shape it. With continuous hammering, the metal slowly turns into a long iron rod. Now, after watching this process, can you guess what they are making? This long iron rod is again heated in the furnace. When one end becomes fully red-hot and soft, the next important step begins. The rod is flipped and placed into a mold where the machine repeatedly hammers the end to form a flat circular metal disc. This may look easy, but in reality, it requires sharp precision and strong control because a single iron rod can weigh dozens of kilograms. At this stage, the main structure of the product is ready, but it is still a raw piece. To become a finished product, it must go through several more processes. First comes the grinding process, where the rough surface is smoothed and balanced. Compared to the earlier heavy labor, this step is a bit easier. Using a lathe machine, the craftsmen give it an exact shape and precise measurements. After careful finishing by experienced workers, gear-like teeth are made on the backside, and the front side is also given its final form. Now only the final step remains: heat treatment. This process greatly increases the strength and durability of the part. And finally, the product is revealed. From an old ship's anchor chain, they have successfully created a truck half-axle, half-shaft. Truly, the craftsmanship and innovative thinking of these workers deserve appreciation. Fix it like a pro garage, where engineering meets real craftsmanship.